if you get a question from an investor,
yes,
why not answer that question and send it to all? Because if one person's thinking about it, they all are. And you might even, and by the way, I am totally spitballing this.
Yeah, yeah.
Even if it was one email, you know, you could say investor question number 2, investor question number 1. You could do a series where you send out and say, we got a question from an investor. They wanted to know about X, you know, X. Here's our answer to that. Just wanted to let you know, if you have any questions, let us know. We're going to share it with everyone. And now you're in regular contact. It's quick, it's easy, it's effective. You're not spending your time unnecessarily. You're answering a question that you're going to answer anyway.
Yeah.
But you're just pushing it out to everybody in your network.